This variety blend of wildlife seeds is a huge hit over here in my Pacific Northwest backyard. We get lots of squirrels that just absolutely love the variety mix. We have one right here. And, you know, my little family absolutely loves watching all the birds and wildlife. But I just filled this feeder as well as my other feeder over here yesterday, like late in the day. And both of my feeders are now empty. That is how much my birdies and my squirrels love this stuff. I have to order this all the time because we go through it so quick. So yeah, enjoy some of these wildlife bringing seeds with your little family.